Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Wednesday, March 20th, which means it's exactly 1 month until our handmade market. So today we have a new market vendor preview for you. This is somebody that a lot of you know and love. This is Steve Stanek with Fiddle Tree Farm. We are a family-operated farm in Apex, North Carolina that handcrafts lotions, soaps, creams, and other fantastic body care products. We strive to use only natural ingredients, so our products are perfect for those who have sensitive skin, and by avoiding artificial ingredients, we keep your body nourished and happy. And I can definitely attest, and so can many of my coworkers, that these products are terrific and really good for people with sensitive skin. So Steve is very generously giving all of these items away as giveaways. So if you'd like to be entered to win one of Steve's giveaways, all you have to do is comment where you're seeing this video. If you're wondering why we haven't announced any winners yet, we're going to announce the whole first half at the end of March, and then the second half of the winners will announce right before the handmade market date. So if you've been commenting and wondering why no one's winning, it's because it's a whole lot easier to do it in a big batch than it is to do it all little bits along the way. So we are still taking your comments. We are still making notes and checking them twice, and we will have winners at the end of the month. In addition, at the end of the month, we have You Be the Buyer. Our Moda fabric representative, Tracy, who actually used to work here in the shop, is going to be here showing off all of Moda's fall collections. And you get to be the buyer. So you get to do my job. You're going to get some tickets when you come in, and you'll be able to vote on your 3 favorite collections. And you'll also be able to order pre-cuts from any of the collections that she's showing that day. And so by pre-ordering your pre-cuts, you know that they're going to be here and you can get whatever you like. Next up in fabric, we have Kitty Litter. And I just love the name of this, and I love the collection. Kitty Litter by Pammy Jane has a delicate print and a modern palette. Look closely to see the tiny cat heads scattered among the stars and dots. We've selected 15 bolts in fun colors and a variety of neutrals. And here's the neutrals right here. They're littered across the fabric. I don't know if you can hear Susan snorking back there behind, but I think it's a really cute collection. And I'll point out, when we were placing these up here, Georgia mentioned that one would be really good in a Halloween quilt. So I'll point that one out when we get there. And I hope that you guys enjoyed as much as I do. You got to tell me in the comments if you're team cat or team dog.
Yes.
Or if you're both. Yeah, Susan said yes to both. Team cat or team dog. This is the colorway that Georgia thinks would be great in a Halloween quilt, because I like how those orange ones really stand out. I also wanted to take this opportunity, that one almost looks batiki, that's really fun, to thank you all for your votes in the By Annie local quilt shop contest. We did win for the state of North Carolina, which we're very excited about, and we came in 8th place internationally. So of all the quilt stores in the whole world, we came in 8th, and I think there were over 2,200 quilt stores represented in the contest. So we're really, really proud of those results, and very happy that you guys took the time to place your votes for us. And the really nice thing that the By Annie company does is they end up compiling all of the wonderful things that everybody said, and then they send it to us. And this year that document was 37 pages long. So it's sitting back in our break room for all of us to read and enjoy, because a lot of times we don't hear, the really nice things that people have to say. So it was really, really touching reading it, and I appreciate all of you guys so much. I hope y'all have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.